Hi and welcome to High on Coding Videos. I'm your host Mohammad Azam, and in this particular video I would like to show you how you can perform simple validation in an ASP.NET MVC application. Okay, so I have this new customer and basically we are going to say okay, first name, and we are going to say a text box. So HTML.textbox, I'm just going to name it first name. Same we can do for our last name. Last name, text box, last name. We do require a input type submit button, and value will be save. And then we're going to go over here and create the form element. So I'm just going to say over here using var form equal to html.begin form, and over here I can define different actions. So I can say okay, action equal to save, and then I am going to go over here and close it out. Here we go. Now let's run this page and see what we have. Go to home/new to view this page. So here we go. We have an add new customer, first name, last name. If I say save, it's not going to really do anything. Okay, just go through the confirmation that the user has been created, and we didn't write anything over here, so that's a problem. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to add over here another HTML control, which is a validation message that will act on the first name as a key, and it's going to say like the asterisk, which would say that hey, you need to put this field over here. And the same thing I'm going to do with the last name. Okay, but this won't work because we need to go to the server side and do something in our action. So I'm just going to go over here. You can actually see that we have first name and last name as the parameters, and I'm just going to say over here if string.is null or empty, which is first name, then I can say model state.add model error, and I can add this key, and I can say first name should not be blank, or first name is required, whatever suits your appetite. And the same thing, I'm just going to copy it over here, and I'm just going to go over here and say last name. Okay, last name, and then last name cannot be blank over here. In order to see that if your view is validated or not, I can actually see if view is not validated. So I'm going to say model is valid. If it's not valid, then what you need to do is you need to render the view again. So I'm just going to say over here new, which is this particular page that I am, or this particular view. Okay, and we have the if it's valid, then we're going to go to the confirmation. Let's go ahead and refresh this page, and I'm going to say save, and now you can actually see that there's a pink color in the background with the asterisk sign. It's representing that you need to specify these fields. We can enhance this one more step by adding a validation summary control. So I'm just going to go over here, and inside over here at the top I'm going to say html.validation summary, and the title will be like errors. Okay, like a registration errors, whatever type of the errors you want to say. I'm going to go to the new, and I'm going to say save, and it actually shows the error that you have put in the model state.add model error message. So you can see the first name should not be blank, last name should not be blank, and then if I type the name and then say save, then of course it goes to the confirmation view and says the user has been created successfully. So this was the very simple way of doing this validation. In the next video tutorial I will show you how you can perform the same validation using a different method. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and please visit highoncoding.com for videos, podcasts, and articles. Thank you very much.